Apple launched its iPhone 17 series in India to record-breaking demand, with pre-orders that opened September 12th, surpassing expectations amid the company's aggressive expansion of local manufacturing and retail presence. The surge demonstrates growing appetite for premium smartphones in the world's largest smartphone market, despite higher pricing than previous generations. Industry sources confirm that pre-orders for the iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro have seen significantly stronger interest compared to last year's iPhone 16 launch. The demand comes as Apple deepens its Made in India strategy, spreading iPhone 17 production across 5 local factories operated by partners including Foxconn, Tata Electronics, and Pegatron. The iPhone 17 series has generated substantial buzz among Indian consumers, with the new iPhone Air particularly attracting attention for its titanium design. Pre-orders across Apple's online store and retail outlets in Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, and Bengaluru have exceeded initial projections. The base iPhone 17 now starts at 82,900 rupees for a 256GB model, marking Apple's first price increase for entry-level iPhones since the iPhone 12 series in 2020. However, analysts note this represents better value per gigabyte, as the base model now offers double the storage of its predecessor. On a storage-to-storage comparison, the iPhone 17 is actually 7,000 rupees, cheaper than the iPhone 16's 256GB variant at launch. According to Money Control, some retailers report that iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max models face initial supply shortages, with allocations heavily skewed toward base models. In typical deliveries of 500 units, only about 50 are Pro models, and as few as 10 are Pro Max devices, creating potential wait times for premium variants. Apple has positioned India as a critical manufacturing hub for the iPhone 17 series, with all models including high-end Pro variants being assembled locally from day one. This represents a significant shift from previous launches, where Pro models typically entered Indian production weeks later. Foxconn's new $2.8 billion facility in Devanahalli, near Bengaluru, has become India's largest iPhone factory by production capacity. The plant joins existing production sites, including Tata's facilities in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, creating a robust supply chain aimed at serving both domestic and global markets. Between April and July 2025, iPhones worth $7.5 billion were exported from India, with much of the iPhone 17 production targeted at meeting demand in the US and Europe, while serving India's rapidly growing premium smartphone market. Research firms project Apple's iPhone shipments in India will grow 25% to reach a record 14 to 15 million units in 2025. According to IDC, dispatches are expected to reach 15 million units, up from 12 million in 2024, while Canalys forecasts domestic wholesale revenue growing to 108,412 crore rupees from 98,717 crore rupees last year. Apple reported record revenue from operations of around 79,326 crore rupees, $9 billion, in fiscal year 2025, representing 13% growth driven primarily by iPhone sales. The iPhone 16 emerged as India's highest-selling Apple model in the first half of 2025, contributing to 96.5% growth in the premium smartphone segment. Tarun Pathak from Counterpoint Research notes that around 60 to 65% of iPhone sales in India happen on EMI, so any price hike gets absorbed through financing options and trade-in programs. Apple has also expanded its retail presence with 2 new stores in Bengaluru and Pune earlier this month, timed strategically ahead of the iPhone 17 launch. The strong pre-order performance positions Apple to capture significant market share during India's upcoming festive season, with analysts expecting the iPhone 17 series to drive further premiumization in the world's second-largest smartphone market.